Well, where's your boyfriend now? What is he doing? What is he doing? Look at him. He was out there wanting to play with you. You can't go outside because there's monsters out there. He would be a good boy, but you'd follow him and you'd get lost and we would never have a kitty again. Yeah, we don't want to lose our Pinky. There he is. He said hi. He says hi. Oh, I think he wants some breakfast. Do you think he wants breakfast? I think he does. He's a good boy. Hey, boy. Hi. Hi. He likes you. Where did he go? Well, he's not coming up now. We'll go over to the door. Let's go to the door. Here. Let's go see. Here. There he is. There he is. Pinky, are you showing off for him? That was your friend when you used to be an outside kitty cat. He was waiting for you to grow up. He was waiting for you to grow up, and now you are. But you can't go out. My mama won't let me date. You want to play with him, don't you? 'Cause Sasha won't play with you. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He is. Say hi. Say hi. Are you playing with him? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Is that your friend? Say hi. Hi, friend. He's playing with you. He's playing with you. You can't go out there with him. No. Tell him your baby maker's been turned off. He'll leave. He's only got one reason he's over here. Somebody told him somewhere along the line that he needs to make babies, and that's what he's trying to do. My mama said I can't make babies. Well, let's just try. No, 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 no. No, no, no.